Welcome to Medisense, world's first truly global health and wellness platform, where users can instantly consult with healthcare professionals globally. This is a tutorial video about the working of the app. The Medisense platform has two mobile applications that talk to each other. One is a user or patient app named Medisense. And the second is an app for specialists or healthcare professionals, named Medisense Pro. Medisense is an easy-to-use app, where users can either consult instantly with the specialists who are online, or schedule a video consult for a later time. Prior to the consult, users can store their health profile and reports in Health Passport with world-class encryption. The user can choose to share a part of the complete Health Passport with their specialist at the time of consult. Let's now see how Instant Consult works. Users will be able to view all the specialists who have marked themselves as online on the Medisense Pro app. Users can decide to consult with a specialist based on specialty language and origin. Once the user decides to consult, they make a request for consult citing the reason for consultation. The Medisense Pro app will alert the specialist of an incoming video consultation request. The specialist can choose to accept or reject the consultation request with a valid reason. Once the specialist accepts the incoming consultation request, the user is prompted to pay for the consult. While the user completes the payment process, the specialist will have time to view the health passport of the user. After the payment, both parties will be prompted to join the video call. The specialist fills the consultation summary in an easy-to-use format, which remembers the choices to make it easier for future consults. A consultation summary can be submitted during or after the video call. The consultation summary submitted by the specialist is visible to the user in the Medisense app's activity section. The users will be able to view the tests ordered, medicines prescribed, and referrals to other specialties if any. Scheduled video consults work similarly to instant consults. But here user makes an appointment for video consultation, for predefined slots provided by the specialist. Both specialists and users can reschedule the appointment, which needs to be confirmed by the other party. If you need more information, please visit FAQs or write to us section. We are happy to help. We look forward to you being part of Medisense platform to be the change we wish to see at a global stage and scale.